how to check in Air Canada online. So make sure you already have your ticket and details ready. So you can go ahead to your preferred browser, like so, and just search for Air Canada. Then you're gonna have to find this kind of website. So www.aircanada.com. Then just go ahead and click on their website. So once you're here, you're gonna navigate yourself right below the trips and press on the check-in option. So here you're gonna have to enter your booking details. So you're gonna put in your aerial plan number or your booking reference. So you have these, you have the employee no or the ticket no. Pretty much depends on what details you have. Then also the passenger's last name. So whatever the last name was placed into your ticket, you're gonna have to put it over here. If you want more check-in tips, you can put it over here. So once that's done, you can choose your seat, you can add baggage and receive a digital boarding pass that can be saved to your phone or printed. So if that's not working, you can go ahead and screenshot it or something. But online check-in typically opens 24 hours before your flight for domestic and international trips. So you're gonna have to put that in mind as well. But this allows you to skip airport lines and proceed directly to security or baggage drop. So just go ahead and put in your details. It's pretty much that simple. And follow up with the prompts and the other options once you press on check-in. But that is pretty much how you check in Air Canada. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.